We've met the British company Inzpire before. When we've looked at their training capabilities, the company was formed out of a number of Air Force officers that came together. Johnny Priest, tell us about this. Now, the other side of the business, GECO. What's GECO and how does that fit into your training scheme?
So GECO was created by Mark Boys, one of the founders. He had this vision of creating a tool that could be used by pilots to bring situational awareness into the cockpit. So rather than going through reams of bags and maps, have all that information in an easily digestible form. So it's a geovisualization tool relating all that information to the aircraft. And on that we can add sort of lots of layers for more information.
So you've been working on GECO for some years now.
Yeah, so the company was formed in 2005, and right from the outset, as you said, we had a training contract to start, but whilst they were going through that contract, they had this idea of building some technology, and so that's where it started.
Now the GECO system is being used by the Air Force and other customers. What's happening now? You're bringing something different to the whole program.
So the genius of GECO is to create an open architecture upon which you use a good core software, think of it like an Android or an iOS, and then you can add apps on top of that. So as you say, we've added different apps over time, whether it be wires alerting, obstacle alerting, or whether it be ship identification, so people can track ships with a live feed. The latest addition to the sort of family is to connect the system. So you can connect GECO to GECO and other aircraft, or from aircraft down to ops, so you can start to share information across a fleet, across large distances, which is what we're seeing it today.
Now, is that working live now? Are you actually seeing it operating in the field?
So we are, so the genesis for this was the requirement for the Chinook Force who are operating in Mali. So working over hundreds of miles, they needed to get information backwards and forwards between ops because it's so austere. So that is live now on ops.
Great. Johnny, thank you very much.